Hey morning guys, it's a Sunday morning. Today I'm at Telok Blangah. I'm going to do an adventure walk. And here's the entrance. Let's walk up. Okay, you can see Henderson Wave, Forest Walk Hot Park, Earth Trail and Telok Blangah Park. So there's a lot of things to cover, but today basically I'm just picking 2 out of the 5. And here I am. Looks pretty deserted. A lot of fallen dry leaves. A lady doing yoga stretch. Morning. Due to slope failure caused by persistent rain, Forest Walk is closed from 17 January. Please use alternate route. Oh folks, unfortunately they have locked up this route, so we have to take a alternate route. Let's find an alternate route to come to this forest walk. Gotta head down again. The mobility stretching from this lady is very good. So I need to learn from her. The way she stretches is really good. It's 360 degrees. Wow, all the joints will be loosened up. She can run like a... It's close. Got to take another route. Lots of flower, plants, trees. And look at all the tall coconut trees. Wow, they are very, very tall. So I tried to enter Forest Walk at the side. Pathway is closed. I have to walk all the way down the main road and start from the bottom of the road. Telok Blangah has got an archery club here. This piece of land. So we came from there, the flats there. One circle, this is a heavy vehicle park. And then we are just walking through. Just now I just spoke to the runner there, asked is there any road to go through here? He mentioned can cut through the gate. Okay, so we just proceed to the gate. And you can see a large old palm tree here, it's very old. It shows you how old this place is. Let's head forward. So I walked past the gate into this place. I can see a lot of the old colonial buildings. and I'm just gonna head straight out. Wow, look at this. Olden days we used to walk all these type of olden steps. Very steep up one. Sometimes without a handrail. Wow, this is just a remain of the part of it left being cut off already. This is the back of the colonial building. Very typical style. This is usually toilets. 1935. Wow. This looks like either the store or Armscott with a steel door. Okay folks, I'm walking in Gilman Barrack. It feels a bit like the Dempsey Road, so it's quite interesting here. So another historical board, this site used to be a medical center as well as a civilian canteen. This is how it looks like. (1837). We came out from there, and this Depot Road, we got to walk down this road, and then it should be the starting point of the jungle walk or forest walk. Okay guys, we have found the steps up to the forest walk finally. Leads to Hot Park. Hot Park itself is a floral garden, herbal garden, small garden over here. Okay folks, sweat starting to come out already, the sun is coming out already. So, been walking for 45 minutes to the alternate entrance for the forest walk, but they have also sealed up for the entrances. You can see from here, this is one of the starting point already. It's actually very nice. It will lead you all the way up to the Blangah park, but due to fallen branches and all, they have closed off everything. So I'm just going to walk along the shoreline, and then that's about it for the day. Okay folks, we are at the southern waterfront. This is Labrador Park. I've run here a few times before in Labrador Park. It's very nice, and but this place is always very warm, humid. So all these ports, Pasir Panjang ports, will be moving to Tuas, combined into a Tuas mega port, and this whole area will be converted into housing and recreation area. Hey look, I found a key. Someone left a key here. So Labrador Park here, we have an old gun post, machine gun post. You go below, and there's let's take a look inside how it looks like. old. So this is one of the remaining old machine gun posts in Singapore on the southern waters. And I believe access to this gun post is through the tunnel at the entrance of Labrador Park. Later we're going to have a look at the tunnels. I believe this is one of the old lighthouse, not in use already. This very prominent red lighthouse. A lot of history in this area. Right across you will have Sentosa. Okay, here you can see the cable car linking to Mount Faber. Oh, look at this, it's beautiful. So perhaps this is what they call the Dragon's Teeth. Okay, I think I saw the Dragon's Tooth. So this is actually the Dragon's Tooth. So I was walking along the boardwalk, then I pick up this key in here, and then
you know, I was doing.
This is the owner. This is the owner of the Mercedes. So I hand over back to the owner of the Mercedes. Where do you walk? Where do you walk?
No, I was doing my yoga over there.
Yes, yes.
And it was kept on the bench.
Oh,
I was very surprised that
Is it?
what I was thinking is maybe a bird or something took
yes.
it and dropped it somewhere, which is why I was searching for it.
Actually, what I intended to do is I was walking to the machine gun post there. I want to have a look there, and then I pick up this key along this track. I wanted to walk to this car park to press, and then I want to leave the key inside the car. Okay guys, very happy ending today. So although I didn't manage to walk the jungle walk at Hot Park, I managed to pick up a Mercedes Benz MPT and return it back to the owner, the car key. He was very happy and very thankful. So okay, good thing. Let me see this last portion of Labrador Park. These are the old walls, the fort, underground tunnels. Okay, so this underground fort. The pier, that's actually the pier that goes across. I think this is Sentosa. It is always said that there is an underground tunnel to Sentosa, but it was never acknowledged, so we are not sure until today. This is very original, the old walls. Okay, this is one of the underground tunnel here. Belongs to the British. So all this position is actually pointing towards the south. Okay, now the trees, the vegetarian has covered the area. I believe during the days it was empty. It was just an empty land. So all this of course is being sealed for safety. You can't go in anymore. And of course the burial guns has all been removed and moved. Some of them they have placed it in Sentosa, Port Siloso. Okay guys, that's about it for this Sunday's healthy walk. We'll catch you again next time. Thanks for watching. So if you are coming to the Jungle Walk, just park at any of these multi-story car park along Telok Blangah. It's free parking on a Sunday and public holiday. And these are the steps that I'm talking about. We used to have a lot of these steep steps up and down Singapore Island. Okay folks, this is a very old fire hydrant. You attach the hose on either side and there must be a valve to turn it on and off. This is an antique. These are all very old signage. Heavy vehicle, please exit at Malan Road. This is also interesting sign. Sometimes you see this in the forest or along the road. These are actually ant nests. Okay guys, the crickets are deafening, man. Now I'm in Labrador Nature Park. Okay, and the first visitor that I spotted is a beautiful peacock that's standing here. Let's take a look at the peacock.